Hi, I'm a travel enthusiast with a job who travels the world, capturing new experiences along the way. Please join me on my adventure around the globe as I make it my goal to bring the world to you. I am Alex Wong, and welcome to my channel.
This place is called Lawrence Corner. Used to be Big Tree place, but there's a big tree. My go-to place for breakfast. Nasi Lemak. This is Nasi Lemak.
And what's the name of this city in Malaysia?
Kuala
this
Lumpur.
area?
Kepong. Kuala Lumpur.
There you go.
Kepong is the suburb. Yeah.
So we're having the famous Nasi Lemak. Got some eggs, cucumbers, and this is it's like clams, right?
Clams, yeah. We call
Clams.
it siham. Cuttlefish.
And then how about this substance right here?
Cuttlefish.
So cuttlefish, rice.
Anchovies.
Whenever you eat nasi lemak, you have to have dried anchovies.
Yep.
And obviously, Waibun is enjoying his food. So, get some of this. It's nice. Has a nice kick to it. The dry anchovies. That's a nice crunch. Up close and personal. So whenever you come to Malaysia, you have to try Nasi Lemak, authentic Malay food. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy this food. Obviously, Waibun is already enjoying it. That was really, really good. And this is round 2. Some Roti Canai, some curry. I love this stuff.
Yeah.
Anytime you come to Malaysia, you need to eat some Roti Canai. I mean, you can eat rotis in India, but this is no comparison. It's nice and flaky. It's good stuff. And this is my friend's family. My mom's elementary school classmate, right? Yeah. Okay. Steamboat with everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's a pot with broth, and then you put all types of different ingredients in there. It's tofu, fish ball with cheese, more tofu, noodles. Tofu, dip it in some sauce. Very good.
Fantastic.
Alright. I'm gonna enjoy this. Yep. Talk to you later. Deuces. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.